Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to change the chat theme on Telegram using the latest version of the app. If you're tired of the same old look and want to give your chats a fresh style, this quick guide is all you need. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar three-line icon, also known as the menu. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, from the list that appears, choose Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options and preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find several categories, but the one we need is Chat Settings. Tap on that to continue. Now you're in the section that controls how your chats look and feel. You'll find options for font size, message bubble style, and background colors. To change the entire theme, look for the option that says Browse Themes. Tap on it, and Telegram will show you a variety of themes created by the community and the app's own designers. Take a moment to browse through the available themes. You'll see both light and dark options, minimalist designs, and colorful styles that completely change the mood of your chats. When you find one you love, tap on it to preview how it looks. If it feels right, simply apply it and your Telegram chats will instantly update with the new theme. That's all it takes, just a few simple taps, and your Telegram experience looks completely different. Customizing your chat theme is a great way to reflect your personality or just keep things looking fresh. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Telegram too. Thanks for watching.